Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create partition on Windows 10. So if you have a second hard drive that you want to, or even third hard drive that you want to create a partition from it, it's very easy to do. Just go to disk management. You can right click on the Windows icon, and here we go, disk management. You can click it. So here we go. There is a disk 0. This is the systems, and here the second hard drive that you want to create a partition. So you can right click and a shrink volume. So if the extend volume is not gray out like me, you can use this extend volume instead. More efficient, I mean more quick. If you use this extend volume, it's easier to use it. But if you use this shrink volume here, so you can enter the amount of space to shrink here. Let's try to make it smaller, and total size after shrink will be in here. So why this this is count based on size available of shrink space in megabyte, and this is a total size before shrink, and here size of available shrink space. So you can try to create a smaller than this, and here there is a you have to attention about this. You cannot shrink a volume beyond the point where any unmovable files are located. So please back up first and see the frog event, blah blah blah. So you have to back up your data first before you can shrink a basic volume in the disk management. After you shrink it, you can create the drive letter for a new hard drive, and it should be here. There is a local disk F, for example, that you can create, that you can take from this local disk D, but the amount or the storage size will be smaller than your main hard drive. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.